Hey everyone, Mike here. Today I'm going to show you a relatively simple method to repair a leaking valve located before your water meter. This technique works well for older style valves. If you have a modern ball valve, however, you'll need to replace the entire unit. But the overall process I'll walk you through today is essentially the same either way. Here's what you'll need. First, a water meter valve key. You can grab one on Amazon or at Home Depot. Links are in the description below. You'll also need to identify the specific valve that's leaking. The easiest way to do that is to snap a photo of it and search for a matching one on Amazon or Home Depot. Most valves are still manufactured in compatible versions, so finding a replacement usually isn't too difficult. Finally, grab some Teflon tape. First, you have to shut off the water. Once you have everything you need, head outside to locate the main water shutoff. It's typically housed in a covered well near the street, somewhere on your property line. Take care not to confuse it with the natural gas shutoff. They're sometimes installed in a very similar way. Place the valve key on the shutoff and turn the water off. Usually a 90-degree turn does the job. Once you've done that, go back inside and verify that the water supply has actually stopped. With the water off, you need to drain the entire plumbing system. Open faucets at both the highest and lowest points in your home. If you have a sink in the basement, open that one first. This helps prevent any flooding during the repair. Now we can get to work on the valve itself. Start by unscrewing the existing valve insert. If it's really tight, take it slow and easy. You don't want to accidentally damage the surrounding tubing. Next, unscrew the insert from the new valve you purchased and compare the two side by side. They should match up. If they don't match, the job gets a bit more involved and you may need to solder a new valve in place. If the inserts are identical, clean the seat of the old valve thoroughly. Then wrap Teflon tape around the threads of the new insert and carefully screw it into the seat. Tighten it snugly with a wrench. Gently close the new valve, then head back outside and use the meter key to turn the main water supply back on. Go inside, open one of your faucets, and check whether the valve holds. Also, inspect the valve itself for any signs of leaking. If everything looks good, open the valve fully and go through the house bleeding each faucet to restore proper water flow throughout the system. And that's it. See you in the next video.